Welcome back. Goa Cricket Association will work in a professional manner with a clear vision. This is the promise made by the new president, Dr. Shekhar Sarkar. He has clearly spelled out his priorities with administration, infrastructure, financial management and cricket structure being the main areas needing reforms. Promising to put all the bitterness behind him, Dr. Sarkar has retained Chetan Desai as the secretary of GCA. A key member of the Sarkar faction, Vilas Desai, continues to be the treasurer.
While GCA is due for elections next year, Dr. Sarkar will be the man to lead the cricket body in its new era after Baru Phadke decided to go on a long leave from the top post in order to negate the threat of de-recognition by Sports Authority of Goa.
We were about on the verge of de-recognition. So now with our president has kept him away from the Goa Cricket Association. So आमकां दिसता की आतां तें आमची जी तांती तलवार आशिल्ली ती तलवार वतली. Our secretary will remain as Chetan Desai. Treasurer also will remain Vilas Desai. I hope that with this new committee in place, everything will go on smoothly till the next election. Next election is due in 2015 June onwards. My first priority as a new president is to have a administration revamping, then financial little bit, whatever we need to do. In a lot of financial problems are there because of income taxes ask us to pay a lot of money. So we have to arrange all those things.
During the acrimonious Cold War between Sarkar's faction and Phadke's group, Secretary Chetan Desai drew a lot of flack from the doctor. But that doesn't matter looking ahead to the idea of a properly run GCA.
Now we will go forward. Now, posterior medicinaच्या भाषेन फाटसून पळोवपाचें ना, आतां फुडें पळोवपाचें. We want to have a very good new beginning, and I hope this is the last new beginning GCA is having. आणि परत्यो new जावपाचें ना.
With sports editor Neeraj Prabhu, senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
FC Goa beat Kerala Blasters FC by 3-0 and moved up to the third position in the Indian Super League on Wednesday. With today's victory, Zico's team took their points tally to 15 points from 11 games. With their goal difference also boosted with the big win at Fatora, Goa have pushed Kerala down to the fourth position. Both teams were locked goalless at half-time in the match dominated the home team.
Gregory, super player as well. It's going to be important that they lead from the front tonight and make sure that both defences are really solid.
Enjoy the razzmatazz, everybody. Into the penalty area, big chance for Goa. Off the inside of the post, and then amazingly, they can't finish the job second time around.
But the way he dealt with the follow-up shot was unbelievable.
Andre Santos corner, and another brilliant save from James. If the first one was good, that was right out of the top drawer.
It's cool. If he keeps doing his job like that, we're in again, John, here.
Straight away, I was going to say, it's the ball from Pearson. The chances at the other end for the Kerala Blasters. The chance for Andre Santos to slip it through. Great ball, James up the line. And is it going to go in or is it going to go wide? Fullback for Kerala Blasters. David James doesn't get there now. He's on his ears on the deck. It's headed off from beneath the crossbar. Maybe it will be Pinheiro. It is Santos and the ball is in the net. They have the goal. Slapichka runs away.
I wanted it to go. Bypasses everybody in the 6-yard box apart from the man on the far post. And it's a terrific finish. Little side foot, half volley, bottom corner.
They're ahead on all fronts. Can they find a second goal here? The queuing up in the centre. Past the goalkeeper. Into the net. It's Goa's night here. This is going crazy. Andre Santos arrived.
Calmly for him. Slipped it under the... Got another. Full of confidence now.
Feel for David James though. We saw how fast he was in the first half. Getting up. He can't get up at all here.
Great little one.
Match and match, as one of my colleagues would say. And Miroslav Slapichka, from having no goals at all until the last game here, has suddenly got 3. He's up amongst the leading goal scorers.
They were playing against a tidal wave of not only of emotion of attacking football from Goa. They managed to stab it for the first hour, and that's it. What a night!
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.